Okay guys, you're welcome back to my channel, Sase Graphics here. So we'll just continue with this particular tutorial on Snapseed course. So we'll just go to the next tool. This is my crop tool. Just help me to adjust the size of my image. Now this is the image. By default it is set to square. This rotate is actually not ticked. So if I come here and click on this check mark, now this one allows me to choose different options here. So if I click on this check mark, you see what happened. I can't adjust it again except I go to undo. So you just have to select, maybe you want to crop an image, just go there. Okay, let's just see if I want to crop. I'll definitely need this lady's face, but it doesn't make my image look good anyway, so I'll still go back to undo. So you can choose any size of your choice. Okay, maybe you want the necklace of the girl to show, so you can just come here and choose any size, and you can now flip it this way around. You can see this one, flip it this way around. So when you just select, the reason square did not actually work is because square has all sides equal. So but when I use this one, when I flip it this other way around, so it's still 3:2. That's what is actually selected. Okay, so with that being said, the next thing, I'll just come here, free. This free makes me that I can actually rotate it to my choice. You can see this one is moving my hand, this one by according to my own taste. But if I set it to square or this, I can move it to my taste. I can just move it. So I just want to move it to my taste. I'll come to not original, free. Original, I'll talk about the original size of the image. Now this original size of the image, but free you can just use your hand and just pick whatever you want. Okay, so that's all for this particular tutorial. I'll just be maintaining this level of crop. Don't want to touch it. See you in the next video.